My name is Tanya Parks. I'm the Cosmetology Department Chair at Sandhills Community College. The Cosmetology program at Sandhills Community College, it offers 3 different degrees, and that's the diploma, the associate, and the certificate. The program offers a lot of varieties. We focus on hair, skin, and nails. It's a good program for students who have different learning styles. We do a lot of book work, we do a lot of hands-on, so it's very versatile. So if you're not getting it in one area, you're going to get it in another. The instructors are amazing. That's one of the things that I'm most proud of as far as working here with Sandhills.
If I'm really having trouble figuring out a haircut, they'll take me one-on-one. Shay, here, part here, do this, hold it like this. No, don't hold it like this, hold it like this. So yeah, they're really personal and hands-on.
Whenever they go take the state board exam, we have 100% pass rate. And so that says a lot about the instructors, and it says a lot about Sandhills Community College. Our students are very successful, many of them in our community here. A lot of them go on to open up their own businesses, they go on to be instructors. We've had plenty of students who work for magazines, just a wide variety. There's so many things that you can do with this, and our students have done extremely well.